Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is said, an hour of planning can save you 10 hours of doing. It shows us the importance of planning in our life, that how much planning is important. And planning can save a lot of time for us, and it can also save a lot of other resources for us. And we can also achieve our objectives easily. Now the question is, what is planning? Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, and who to do it. The function of planning is establishing goals and arranging it in a logical order. Planning is the process of organizing ideas into actionable steps. So, if we want to achieve our objectives, we must make a planning for it, and we should develop this habit to make planning for each and every activity of our life. So this is how we will achieve it easily, we will be confident about it, and we will also enjoy the journey, enjoy the process. When we develop the habit for making planning for our each and every activity of our life, so we will get a lot of benefits, a lot of advantages because of this habit. One of the main advantages of making planning before starting any project, any activity, is how to make the best use of the available resources. If you want to make the best use of the available resources in the form of people, money, time, information, or equipment, so then we must make a planning, and we should include all these things in our planning. So when we make a planning in the light of all these resources, so this is how we will achieve our goals easily, and we will also save these things for ourselves. Planning is also an assessment or evaluation of our achievements. Planning can play a role of a bridge between our present and our future, where we are today and where we want to go. Planning gives us a sense of direction, that which direction I should follow, so it get us out of confusion and chaos. When we identify our direction, then we are confident, we are clear, and we also enjoy the process. Secondly, planning also focus our attention on the objectives and the results. So when we focus our attention on our goals, our objectives, and also on the results, so we will work for that, and we will easily achieve it, and we will also enjoy achieving those goals. And we will be careful about the results as well, because at the end the result matters, the objective matters. Another advantage or benefit of planning is it establishes a basis for a teamwork. As we know that teamwork is important for achieving goals in our life, and when we develop a teamwork, so in a team there are different people, they have different skills, they have different and unique qualities. So because of their contributions, we can easily achieve the goal. So planning is important for developing a good teamwork as well, a successful teamwork, a team as well. Another advantage of planning is we anticipate challenges or problems, and how to cope with the change. So when we make planning, we also anticipate that we also identify the problems, the difficulties, the challenges, and we also know how to cope with the change. We also prepare ourselves mentally how to cope if there is any change. So how to cope with that, how to handle that, and how to use that for our advantage, for our benefit. So this is the benefit of planning, that we develop, we are ready for the challenges, and make us ready and help us getting ready for the challenges. And this is how when those challenges are we face those challenges. So this is how we also know how to overcome those challenges. The next important advantage of planning is it provides us guidelines for decision making. So, as we know, decision making is a difficult task, but when we make a planning, so it provides us a guideline. When we have the guidelines, then we can easily take a decision. So this also makes us a good decision maker. So planning makes us a good decision maker. It also makes us a problem solver, and it also gives us a successful mindset, a winning mindset. So when we develop a winning mindset, when we learn the skill of decision making, when we improve our problem solving skill, and then so it definitely improve our planning skill. So planning is a skill and we can develop it by practicing. So when we start doing planning for our each and every activity of our life, and we start achieving our goals easily as well, so we become an expert and accomplished planner. As we know, planning is important, therefore we must develop it as our habit, and we should plan our each and every activity. It is said about planning that planning is bringing the future into the present so that you can do something about it now. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed.